Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to add pages in Microsoft Word from your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to get all kind of notification. Yes, from my mobile I just opened Word application. So I would like to add more pages. So first I would like to create a blank document. Just click the plus button so I can create the blank document. So just choose the blank document. Only the single page will be available. So how to find out only one page is available? On top you will find a and pencil button. Select the A and pencil button. Just go to this menu, that is home menu, and select view option. Once you select view option, just go to print layout. So once you go to print layout, you will find only one pages will be available as you see here. So I would like to add more pages. So what I have to do here, so on top you will find a and pencil button. Just choose a and pencil button and you will get option called menus. Just choose the menu and just go to insert option. Once you go to insert option, there will be a blank pages will be available in Word document. Just choose the blank pages. The page number 2 will be created automatically as you see here. So the first page and second page, the break will be available. So again I would like to create a blank page, means the more pages will be created by one by one. So as you see here, so totally I have around 10 pages in this document, so I can create a 10 pages with a blank document. So if I just go to view and print layout option, means I can able to check out so how many pages are available in this document, so that you can easily add more pages like your laptop model of your Word document. If you have your work in your mobile phone, means you can easily access the Word document from your mobile phone. You can add a different kind of words and different kind of pages, and you can create a document you can send to your clients as well as your teachers. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.